In this project, we had to build a boat that carries a 1-pound weight across the pool 4 feet and is propelled by a mousetrap. $20 budget, and we have to fabricate 3 things.
You wish your tired feet were fireproof.
No, it's pretty light. The only thing is, it'll be like,
Material?
Yeah, material would be a lot.
Under the boardwalk, out of the sun. Under the boardwalk.
What are we gonna do? A hole in one of the fan parts?
Alright, let's design 2.
What if we make the base one and we fabricate the walls?
I'm still not getting how we're gonna make the fans spin.
Because we connect it to the string, right? And then we have the
No,
mousetrap.
we have to do it.
Sounds of a carousel. You can almost taste the hot dogs and french fries they sell.
Side. Center.
Down by the sea, yeah.
So we're making a prototype of our wheel and we're checking the sizes and how it's going to work so when we actually build the wheel we don't make a mistake and have to rebuild it again.
He said, and then like I emailed him
How
and
much
he
is
said,
it?
What?
it's
How much
a
is
4.
it? Okay. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, but I think that's perfect. Yeah.
We'll be making love under the
So we made a prototype with like different paddles built from popsicle sticks. So now we're gonna program it and make it like this a little bit bigger. So these paddles bigger, so it kind of proportions to each other. So that we can print it. We're creating a prototype for our boat so that we can see if it works or not, and then we're going to get our real items and bring them in.
on a blanket.
A prototype base for my boat, and we're gonna see how it works.
Well,
Yeah,
look,
you want to attach them.
the bag works fine.
We'll be having some fun under the boardwalk. People walking above under the boardwalk.
The idea was to have multiple grooves in our water wheels so we can adjust and see how many propellers will work.
Oh, when the sun beats down.
Are we gonna?
What? Because
Well, it would be right here. It'd be connected under here.
the string will be connected.
Well, that's what I was saying before. I think we should connect it to like the paddles would be there, and then like there'd be like the axle there.
What if we had the
Alright, now we got it.
under the board, right?
Yeah.
Under, and we have 2 holes there.
Is where I
Yeah, we're gonna test it to see which one.
what else are we
How many? We can do 4 paddles.
Yeah.
of the sun under the boardwalk. We'll be having some fun under the boardwalk.
Peter and I made this design of a mousetrap, so we built an extension and built a platform right here so it has more surface area. And it's supposed to push the boat, but we don't actually know if it'll push the boat all 4 feet that's required.
You can almost taste the hot dogs and french fries they sell under the boardwalk. Down by
It's risky. It's gonna be left right there.
on a blanket with my baby.
Water won't fill until it reaches here.
Under the boardwalk. Out of the
The only thing is like,
Alright, we can cut it right now. Is there wheels?
because they're gonna be like attached. You can't like just wedge them in. You know what?
making love under the boardwalk. Boardwalk.
How do you test it?
We can just take it out.
One time.
So we 3D printed the outside of our paddle wheel, and right now we're going to use the laser cutter to cut paddles that will fit into these slots.
Yeah. On a blanket with my baby is where I'll be. Under the boardwalk, out of the sun.
So when we tested this, we originally just had a hole here, but we found out when we tested it, when this came forward, there was too much friction on the string and it wasn't pulling in the wheel. So we're trying to add these bendy trolls to remove some of the friction on the string.
And your shoes get so hot,
We tested our boat in the pool, and we realized that this is like too short, so it gives like a quick push, but it doesn't like consistently go. So we want to make these like sticks longer, so it keeps pushing, so like makes the boat go further.
Friction for the vehicle to move, so now we're going to try a more low friction type of string.
we'll be having some fun under the boardwalk. People walking above.
When we have our boat out of the pool, it moves really smoothly, but when we put it in the pool, it stops. So what we're going to do is we're going to add another mousetrap, and hopefully it will give it more power and it'll be able to go.
Sounds of a carousel. You can almost taste the hot dogs.
We put the boat in the water, and now we're just trying to find the right place for the weight so it doesn't tip over and everything is perfectly flat.
Down by the sea, yeah. On a blanket with my baby, that's where I'll be. Under the boardwalk, out of the sun. Under the boardwalk, we'll be having some fun. Under the
A second mousetrap for more propulsion, and it works, so we're going to go try it at the pool now.
So the problem we're having is that the paddles are rubbing on the wood right here. So we have to put something here that stops the paddles from touching the wood, and then it will move forward fine.
But the thing is like that, look at that, the whole axle's under the water, so should we flip it upside down so that that's on the bottom? So I think that's better. So then we can have...
we definitely need more rotation.
Well, yeah. So our boat, we tested our boat and it wasn't going very straight, so we decided to add this rudder and put it on a little bit of an angle, try to straighten out, compensate for the dip turn.
So we tested our boat in the pool, but when we wound it up, we found out that the water, there was too much resistance from the water for the wheels to actually turn properly. And then as we pulled it out of the water, we realized we didn't glue our spacers down enough, so the axle ended up breaking off.
Oh, when the sun beats down and burns the tar up on the roof, and your shoes get so hot, you wish your tired feet were fireproof. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah. On a blanket with my baby, is where I'll be. Under the boardwalk, out of the sun. Under the boardwalk, we'll be having some fun. Under the boardwalk, people walking above. Under the boardwalk, we'll be making love. Under the boardwalk, boardwalk.